because I'm happy clapping along if you feel like a room without a roof, because I'm happy clapping along if you feel like happiness is the truth, because I'm clapping along if you know what happiness is to you, because I'm clapping along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Hey guys, I just reached Kolkata airport. Tabukno Kolkata airport o sok paikha. They oras rapsa 3 hours hold. Connecting flight ba. So I'll be waiting for my next flight here in Kolkata airport for the next 3 hours. Naigena kisa misa kuno breakfast sajang nai jatong. Thui ba chaman bagai kisa srangna nang tongka. I just slept throughout my flight. Throughout my 3 hours flight, I slept. I didn't even know. I didn't notice when we reached from Bangalore to Kolkata. Bangalore ni Kolkata ubrusa paikasi saimalia asuke thuka. Tabukhe body temperature check khana bagalaina basizak. Now I'll be leaving the arrival zone and transferring to the departure area. I'm in the queue for scanning my body temperature. I'm moving ahead to the first floor for my boarding. And look at this, Kokho Gorgon rooftop of Kolkata airport. That's the most beautiful thing here, I guess. Yeah, ani next flight board khana magai first floor ro sapaja aur anke chini domestic exchange the departure stop here Kolkata ni sakana gi Kokho Gorgon sujak kono jajang mein man liya so security area also hoijak security check khana jabo tiko I guess antau hapsina bishingo mankhe ba sanaida aro serapsa fresh up unka. So now let's go for breakfast. I guess that's the one we should be having. This is my place. Oh, there 12:15 Agartala. Chosen the chicken tikka wrap. हाँ chicken wrap. I'm waiting for my queue now. They're calling us according to our seat numbers. Just threw that biscuit packet right there. The guy from Agartala. That's the reason we have such shit in our state. I wish everybody treated all the public places as their own home. India would have been a much better place if not for this kind of people. Or 3 hours manashinga. Kisu chakha. Chicken ni tamzen kasha item chakha. Tamzen kamu. Chicken wrap. Magtri paishuka. I'm so sleepy. I don't have energy to vlog. Asuk vlog se khailiya, cockroach se sanamu chungliya, angmalai thunamu chungkha. I'm so sorry, this vlog is not going to be that interesting. I'm not in the mood to talk right now. I have no energy whatsoever. I'm just waiting to reach home and to eat special home cooked food by my mom. Nasingmang ani turn sok by kya tabok flight o kasana zora angka. Finally, it's time to go home. Kolkata ni face shield naigedi. Asak kay belarang sak kesang kangrai rok kai chorang ma naigedi. Bangalore airport ni rijang mani ke besak kesang jeng sai tonggu. Ola ma simina 1 kilometer sek ngana asak kolok ma. Tabung na ni sido asok phoyo te straksa ke no birkhong birnai birkhong bisingo boborok kaham ke hokorui sanitize khai tongo. Look at this vapor, so blur I can't see anything.
सभी यात्री से निवेदन है कि वे अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहे और कुर्सी की पेटी बांध ले। धन्यवाद। Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived in Agartala.
Birkhong ni ongkor bai ang tabuk line of basajak borok chini bag rong no sanitize khainai. I'm in the queue right now. They're sanitizing everybody's belonging here. COVID-19 test will be done to every 5th person in the line. But since this was in the month of June, now they have made it compulsory for everyone to be tested for COVID-19. This was the way they sanitized when I came. Finally done. My father must be waiting. I am going to use the back seat and I'm not going to let him touch my luggage. Yes. That's my father. New car. Ano ba test kali ya?
Kali ya nata. Sosok kerja ka. Sini kan kerja ka.
Oh, family?
Ada eksogan lo itu.